Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you French onion toast. Now for this, in the pan I have taken 1 tablespoon of butter, that is salted butter, and 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Okay, now for the onions I have taken 1 big, 1 small and 1 bulb of spring onion. I have chopped them lengthwise. Okay, now this is become hot. Now I'm going to add these onions into this. I'm going to roast or allow these onions to cook till they are golden brown in color. Okay, but on a very low flame. Okay, so this will take another 5 to 7 minutes to get caramelized. See you after that. I want to rectify myself. In the beginning I said that I'm going to show you the recipe for French onion toast, but it's not a toast, it's a soup, French onion soup. Okay, now it's almost 3 to 4 minutes I'm been cooking this onion. It started changing its color. At this point I am adding this finely chopped garlic. Now these garlics, I've taken 3 small garlics. Okay, now this I'm going to add and I'm allowing it to cook for another 5 minutes or till the tender or the raw taste of garlic disappears. Okay, cooking say for 8 to 9 minutes with bay leaf. I have added 1 bay leaf also in between to give it a taste. Okay, see, my onions have started changing its color. So this much browning is sufficient. If you want more, you can cook further more. Okay, only the color of the soup will change. Now to this, I'm going to add 3 cups of water. That's all. And I will season it with ¼ teaspoon of black pepper. So much. Salt we will add later on because there is already salt into the butter. Okay, so now I will make the flame on lower medium. Okay, and I will allow this soup to boil. 1 or 2 boils, more than enough, and the soup is ready. Now see, the soup started boiling, the soup is ready. Now I have used salted butter. Okay, I'm also going to add little cheese, so there is a salt in the cheese also. So accordingly we will add salt here. So much, just so much, 1/4 teaspoon. Okay, and I will put the gas flame off, and it's now my time to serve this soup. Now before I show you the presentation, if you don't like these beads of onions to come into the mouth, then what you can do, before adding water, you can put the flame off, and you can cool the cooked onion and garlic into the mixer into a fine paste, and that paste you put it here, cook for some time, and then you add water. Okay, some people even add say maida or say all-purpose flour slurry, or say a white sauce if you want a thicker version. Now let us see the presentation now here. The soup should be very hot. That's it. Now into this Now I'm going to add this grated cheese. These 2 spoons. Okay. Now I'll be taking croutons, bread croutons. I have made a bread toast into a toaster, and now I will apply little butter just for the taste. Okay, like this, and I'm going to put this cheese on the top, and then I'm just going to put it here. Second one also. Like this. And one more. That's all, and one more this. Okay, like that. And then to finish it with, I have chopped some greens of spring onion that I am putting here. So this is how my French onion soup is ready. If you liked my recipe, kindly click on to the like button or the thumbs up button, subscribe my channel and share my video with your family, friends or relatives as much as possible. And do try this recipe, it tastes amazing. Thank you.